everyone, it's Eman from Brooklyn Seeds, the Kids Nature and Gardening program. Do you like food? I love food. How about apples? Do you like apples? Well, this apple cost me 55 cents. But what if it cost me $5.55? That would be an expensive apple. How about plums? Do you like plums? This plum costs me $1. What if this plum was actually $10 or $12? That would be really hard to afford. Do you like pears? This pear cost me $1.12, but what if it was $10.12 or $12.12? If the food was this expensive, many of us wouldn't be able to afford to eat. Do you want to keep prices down? Plant an ugly plant. It's called horseweed. Horseweed is one of the weediest looking plants, and it grows almost everywhere. It's a really tough plant that can grow in the harshest conditions. Most people pull it out. Farmers hate it and often spray it with herbicides. But if you have a tiny bit of extra space, or you see it in the sidewalk or driveway or garden, maybe leave it alone. Horseweed is native to North America. It has tiny little flowers that don't look like flowers, but many animals need these flowers and these leaves. In fact, sweat bees love horseweed, and sweat bees are great pollinators. But horseweed is also important for native ladybug larvae, crickets, grasshoppers, and many other native animals. Syrphid flies love horseweed, and they're great at protecting our plants from aphid attacks. And if you watch a horseweed plant in the morning, you can see tiny sweat bees. These same bees pollinate pear trees, plum trees, apple trees, and so many other plants we love. They dig tunnels in the ground where they lay their eggs. But when those eggs hatch, they'll need something to eat. And that's when our horseweed and other native plants come to the rescue. When other flowers are dying, horseweed flowers are blooming. And the bees collect the pollen and the nectar from this horseweed. They take it down to their tunnels, and when their eggs hatch, they have something to eat. And they grow up into adult bees, which pollinate our plants. Imagine how expensive our food would be if we had to hire thousands of people to pollinate all these flowers, but these bees do it for free. So the next time you see horseweed or any other native plant, before you pull it out, think about how important these plants are for the survival of our native bees. And then think about how the survival of our native bees is crucial to our survival. Brooklyn Seeds grow natives. And, okay.